Uh-oh. Yeah, I know where. Magic Valley. Oh my God, my buddy's gonna be so happy.